say, money me a meds and you know none to show me. For your house up a stony, so me go and hustle. Yeah, man, say first time me hear the name Romy in the Vibes Cartel song. Yeah. And once you live in a Jamaica, you know the particular dance them in the particular parish. So word coming out of Los Angeles is that Father Romy, also known as Jerome Maypen Strongman, is no longer among the land of the living. So the word on the street is that about 4 individuals got shot up in Los Angeles, Slauson area. And if I don't know if you're familiar with Nipsey Hussle, but if you're familiar with Nipsey Hussle, you know it's a Slauson area, basically in the Crenshaw area. You know them place there heavily gang affiliated. Whole heap of gangs, Crips, Blood, Mexican gang, all sort of gang. So the word on the street is that the one here comes straight from Mexico. So you know Jamaican bad man how them go to work. So you know when it come to the white business, you know some of the time the man them take the thing and use badness to defend the thing. Allegedly. I could say allegedly because we don't have no proof of it. We not see no proof of it or none of that. You see me? But we just want to highlight it still because you don't know, say yo, that are the headline in the street. Say yo, man them take some product from the Mexican them and it look like the business part of it never go never go good. And funny thing is that 2 year prior to this incident, a friend of his also lost his life by the same Mexican cartels allegedly. So for the same thing come happen to you, it really shows say like sometimes we in a certain life we not really take enough precaution. And one thing we can tell anybody who I deal with badness, like the end of the day I know you alone bad. You understand? I feel like anybody will hustle. I mean you can do the right and still get fucked same way, you know, but I feel like anybody will hustle. When if you pay your bill, pay your bill. I just say go. Because maybe if that are never the case, all of this year could have been avoided, but Jerome is no longer with us. Me personally, me don't know much about Jerome or anything, but we hear the name in the street, so we know say yo is a strong figure in a Jamaica, especially in a Maypen. Seeing so we just bring some highlight to it and we have to say yo condolence to the family because regardless of whatever, you don't know say you gotta always have people who love them relative. You understand? So we are gonna say rest in peace to Jerome and the other victims them. And this is not really a good look for Jamaica, but we could try to stay up on the safe side of things, in. I'm out.